Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to import 2D horizon step by step into Geomodeling software. All products in Geomodeling share the same database and same UI of data importing and exporting. In Geomodeling software, we support importing multiple 2D horizons for multiple 2D lines within one 2D survey at one time. For example, you can see here I have a 2D survey which has 12 2D lines in total, and we can import multiple 2D horizons for these 12 2D lines during one-time importing process. So to import 2D horizons, you need to go to the top main menu, select import and select 2D horizon. And then here I have 3 horizons for the 2D surveys for 12 2D lines. So you can select them all, and then at the bottom this is the file example for importing 2D lines, and you should have the line number, CDP number, X, Y, and Z value inside your file, and you can click preview to see the data in your file. For example, in this case, I have line number, CDP number, X, Y, and time. Then you can click open to start the importing process. And in this page, first of all, here you need to set data separation if it's by fixed width columns or by delimiters. And you need to set the importing range correctly. For example, here from the preview we can see data starts from line 8, so here we should change this from line 8. And here, if you have any invalid value in your data, you need to specify it in this box and check this invalid value. For example, in this case, our invalid value is this number. And you need to set the correct delimiters to separate the data correctly in the spreadsheet. And you can check the checkbox for the double quotes, single quotes, or other symbols to avoid importing those symbols. And you can define the column name if it's automatically defined or it's the same as last used. And the unit names is normally for importing the completion data. So for importing 2D horizons, you need to specify the column name using the drop-down menu in the spreadsheet. For example, here the first column should be line name, and the second one is the CDP, and the third column is the X, fourth column is Y, and the last column should be Z. So you need these 5 columns to import the 2D horizon. Then you can click next, and in this page you can define the domain type if it's in time or depth, and you need to select the attribute type using the drop-down menu. And here you should use this drop-down menu to select the correct 2D survey name. So in this case, this is my survey name, and then you can click next. And in this page you can define the input unit for XYZ, and they can be different from the project unit. If it's different, then the program will automatically convert it to the project unit. And here you need to specify the file coordinate system. If it's the same as the project coordinates, you can select this one. Otherwise, you need to select other coordinate system and use this select button to choose another coordinate system. Then the program will automatically convert it to the project coordinates. And below here, this is the summary for the XYZ data range. So you can QC the data from here, and if it's necessary, you can check this checkbox to negate the Z values. And then you can click OK for all to import all the horizons you selected. So you can see the horizons have been imported and they are saved under the Horizon tab. So you can display the horizons on the base map. If you want to change its visualization properties, you can double click on the horizon, and in the properties page, in the visualization tab, you can change its color and the size. And you can also open a 3D window and display all the 2D lines in the 3D window and display all the horizons. So you can also change its visualization properties through its properties page, and in the visualization tab you can change the color and the size for each horizon. So you can see those 3 horizons have been imported and they are displayed here on each 2D lines. This is the end of the video of importing 2D horizon into geomodeling software. If you have any question, please send message to support@geomodeling.com. Thanks for watching.